5. Needs men have that are stronger than sex to fall deeply for you. Have you ever wondered what truly makes a man fall deeply in love? Not just physically attracted, but emotionally bound to a woman? While many people believe that love or even physical attraction is the ultimate glue in a relationship, the truth is far more profound. Men, just like women, possess deep emotional needs that often go unspoken, yet they are vital for building a lasting connection. In this video, we'll uncover the 5 most essential needs men have, needs that often surpass their desire for sex. These are the keys to understanding their hearts, nurturing emotional intimacy, and forming a bond so deep that it transforms your relationship forever. Whether you're looking to enrich your connection with a partner or simply gain insight into the inner workings of a man's emotional world, this video is your guide. Stay tuned as we delve into these powerful truths, offering practical advice and actionable steps to strengthen your connection with the man you love. 1. The power of physical affection. Yes, physical intimacy is significant, but let's talk about the kind of physical affection that goes beyond the obvious. Picture this. Instead of focusing solely on moments of passion, imagine wrapping your arms around him as he unwinds after a stressful day. Picture sitting close to him, holding his hand while you both share a laugh over something silly. These small acts, cuddling, holding hands, brushing his hair, or simply sitting close, have the power to strengthen your bond. Science backs this up. When you engage in acts of physical affection, your body releases oxytocin, known as the love hormone. This hormone doesn't just create fleeting feelings of happiness. It builds trust and a sense of safety in your relationship. The trick is to make these moments feel natural. If you're watching a movie, lean into him. If he's busy working, give him a quick kiss on the forehead. These tiny gestures let him know you care in ways words cannot. Physical affection, when done thoughtfully, can keep your bond strong and unshakable. 2. Respect and appreciation. The second need is an urge that is frequently at the center of a man's heart. The need for respect and appreciation. Respect and appreciation are inextricably linked to a man's sense of self-worth and identity. Think about it. When a man feels valued, it validates his values, choices, and behaviors. It's an indication that he's doing something right, that he's appreciated for who he is and what he brings. What about appreciation? It's the acknowledgement that his efforts are seen and appreciated. It's more than just acknowledgement. It's about expressing genuine gratitude for what he offers to the table. In relationships, this urge can manifest in a variety of ways. It might be about recognizing his efforts to provide for the family, respecting his thoughts and decisions, or appreciating the little things he does on a regular basis. Simple actions of respect and gratitude may significantly impact how he feels valued and understood. So how can you show respect and appreciation? Start by listening. When he speaks, listen for understanding rather than just responding. Demonstrate interest in his thoughts and feelings. Recognize his accomplishments, no matter how big or small. A simple "thank you" or "I'm proud of you" may be truly touching. Remember that respect is also about giving him space, trusting his judgment, and allowing him to be himself. However, it's not only about what you say or do, it's also about how. The tone of voice, sincerity of the words, and timing are all important in showing genuine appreciation and respect. Remember that when a guy feels respected and valued, it deepens his relationship with his partner and boosts his confidence and well-being. It's a strong urge that frequently resonates deeper than physical desires. 3. Acceptance. Believe it or not, when a woman picks a man, it does more than just stimulate his groin, it instills confidence in him. This is not just what men want, but what they need. Men are supposed to be strong, almost unbreakable, self-sufficient and accountable both at work and with their families. When everything in the world is crashing down around them, all they want is a safe haven, typically in the arms of a woman they know loves and embraces them completely. However, there is a caveat. Some men need sex to feel safe. Hear me out. Sexual intercourse is a highly intimate experience. Most of the time, a male physically enters a woman's body. This has to be one of the greatest displays of trust and, at times, lust for a man. It communicates to him that he is worthy of owning a piece of her body. The aftermath of sex is similar to being under the influence of drugs or alcohol. When you're high on endorphins and pheromones after ecstasy, you experience a connection unlike any other. We feel secure. Men are looking for the security of the moment beyond orgasm, but they don't always know how to communicate it. Men are not always rewarded for exposing their vulnerabilities, but they want to. And when they meet a woman who accepts them for who they are, wounds and all, they're more inclined to let their guard down and open up, resulting in the intimacy that they need above all else. 4. Emotional intimacy is key. Contrary to popular belief, men crave emotional intimacy just as much as physical intimacy, if not more. They may not always express it openly, but men need to feel emotionally connected to their partner. Emotional intimacy is about understanding his world, his struggles, and his joys. When he shares his worries, listen without interrupting or offering solutions. If he talks about his successes, celebrate them wholeheartedly. Men often carry the burden of being strong and may find it difficult to express vulnerability. By creating an environment where he feels safe to open up, you show him that his feelings matter. This connection strengthens your relationship in ways that physical intimacy alone cannot. When a guy feels emotionally connected to his partner, it might be more satisfying than physical intimacy. So how do you develop emotional intimacy in a relationship? It might be sharing personal thoughts and feelings, discussing worries and doubts, or seeking support during difficult times. It's about creating a safe environment in which vulnerabilities may be shared without being judged. Encouraging open communication can help to foster emotional intimacy. Let him know that it's all right to communicate his feelings and opinions. Be a patient and attentive listener. Demonstrate empathy and compassion while avoiding jumping to conclusions or offering unwanted advice. It's about being present both physically and mentally. Small daily deeds can also promote emotional connection. Ask about his day and actively listen to his responses. Share your own thoughts and experiences to foster a mutual sense of trust and understanding. Celebrate successes together and provide support during disappointments. 5. Companionship and partnership. Final need and equally important need is companionship and partnership. Beyond physical attraction and romance, men place a high importance on having a partner who serves as a companion, confidant, and co-navigator on their life's journey. From this perspective, companionship is more than just being lovers. It means becoming true friends. It's about sharing common interests, having meaningful conversations, and participating in activities together. It provides comfort to know that someone understands them, shares their joys, and tackles hardships alongside them. Partnership, on the other hand, emphasizes teamwork. It's the concept of creating a life together in which both people participate equally and support one another's dreams and ambitions. In a partnership, decisions and responsibilities are shared, fostering fairness and mutual respect. How can you promote a sense of companionship and partnership? Engage in things that you both like. It might be as basic as a weekly date night, a shared hobby, or discussing goals for the future together. Show interest in his hobbies, even if they differ from yours. This demonstrates that you regard him as a person rather than just a partner. Work together to improve communication and decision-making skills. Discuss your ideas, dreams, and even day-to-day activities. Make sure both voices are heard and appreciated. Remember that a partnership is about balance. It's about giving and taking equally, encouraging one another's growth, celebrating one another's accomplishments, and offering support during difficult times. A strong partnership may endure life's ups and downs, becoming stronger with each hardship they encounter together. In summary, friendship and partnership are about forming a strong tie that goes beyond the romantic side of a relationship. It's about being best friends, trustworthy allies, and equal partners on the path of life. As we've explored today, men are far more complex than they may seem on the surface. Beneath the societal expectations of strength and stoicism lies a deep yearning for acceptance, respect, companionship, and emotional connection. These 5 needs are the foundation of a man's emotional well-being, and when fulfilled, can lead to a bond that is unshakable. If you found value in this video, don't let the insights stop here. Take what you've learned and apply it to your relationships, whether romantic, familial, or even friendships. The results can be life-changing. And before you go, I want to thank you for investing your time in understanding this important topic. If this resonated with you, let us know by hitting the like button and leaving a comment below. Your feedback helps us create meaningful content that reaches more people like you. Remember, the path to deeper connections starts with understanding, and now you're already one step ahead. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.